Hi, history hikers here. We're in Villerouge-Termenès. The castle of Villerouge-Termenès is behind us. And this is what happened here.
Well, this is the place where Guillaume Bélibaste was burned. He was the last Cathar perfect. Um, Villerouge La Cremada tried to claim the right of saying they burned the last perfect, but no, it was in Villerouge-Termenès.
So this is where the Cathar heresy ended.
Yes, in 1326.
Castle itself looks pretty impressive. It's been restored beautifully, and I think we'll have a lot of fun. Let's check it out. The castle of Villerouge-Termenès is situated in the eponymous town in the Corbière region in the Aude department in France. It's one of the rare castles in the region to be built next to a stream in the middle of a valley instead of on top of a rocky hilltop. It's a rather small castle, but looks impressive nonetheless with its 4 tall corner towers.
Around the start of the 12th century, it was owned by the Bishop of Narbonne. It was granted in fief to Pierre de Pérepertus, who next gave it as a dowry for the wedding of his daughter with Pierre Olivier de Terme. Pérepertus and Terme are equally well-known castles in the region, as you will see in future videos.
During the Albigensian Crusade, the castle was captured by Alain de Roussy, a companion of the leader Simon de Montfort. It was later recaptured, but then surrendered to the French king at the end of the crusade in 1229, at the Treaty of Paris. Its connection with the Cathars does not end there, however. Guillaume Bélibaste, the last Cathar perfect, died at the stake in the castle courtyard in 1321, thus ending the Catholic Church's inquisition against the Cathars. This famous event is used as the common thread throughout the visit. The castle was later used as a summer residence for the bishops of Narbonne until the French Revolution. The great condition of the present-day castle is most certainly related to this.
The current layout of the castle dates from the 13th and 14th centuries. It's more of a residence with crenellated walls and towers. Inside the rooms we can see some murals which were painted in the 20th century. They do, however, give an impression of what it would have looked like in the Middle Ages and later times. There are also some mannequins dotted around, which don't really add much to the overall feel.
We can walk around the ramparts and enter the largest tower, which functioned as a keep. The top floor has some feeling of comfortable living, with the windowsill benches. The small staircase built inside the thick walls, however, show that it was primarily a defensive structure. My shoulders were actually too broad to easily walk down the stairs. We're able to exit the castle from the postern gate at the back. Well, that was a short visit. Nice, but short. What did you think?
Nice but short. Indeed, it was quite a small castle, but it was nicely restored.
I think so too. But it's time for the subjective arbitrary castle score, I believe. I'm gonna go for a 7.
Yeah, me too. The mannequins they put around the castle, they scared the out of me.
Information was nice, but in the end, rather small, not a lot to see. You could go around on the battlements, but yeah, 7 in total.
I agree.
History Hikers signing off. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more of this type of content, check out the playlists on our channel. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed and leave a comment if you have any feedback. Consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to receive a notification when we upload new videos. We are the History Hikers, we share the castle love, and until next time. Bye!